How to remove TikTok profile picture. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. Now, go to the bottom right corner and tap on your profile. Here, you can view your profile information. Now tap on Edit Profile. You can edit your profile information such as your name, photo, username, bio, etc. from here. Tap on Change Photo. As you can see, you do not have the option to remove your profile picture from here. Now go back to your main menu and open up the Chrome browser. Then, search for empty TikTok profile picture and select a photo from the search results. Tap and hold the photo to save it to your gallery. Now go back to the Edit Profile page on TikTok. Then, tap on Change Photo again. After that, tap on Upload Photo. Here, select the picture you just saved to your gallery. Then tap on Save at the bottom. You have now successfully changed your profile picture to a blank picture. Following these steps, you can easily remove TikTok profile picture.